Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm T4R Dan and we're going to be installing a Sony head unit into my 99 4runner. Let's get started. What we can do here is take apart this bottom piece. It's pretty easy. There's two clips at the base of it, and then it comes apart pretty easily. I struggled a little bit with the backside getting stuck. What's also helpful is putting the key in the ignition and pulling the shifter back a little bit. It makes it easier to rotate this piece and put it to the side. Onto this next piece, we pull it down from the bottom, and there's clips around the left side middle and on the top. These are extremely fragile. I broke two of my clips doing this, and it still works and fits, but just make sure you're careful. And yeah. There's four pieces. You clip from back here. Now we just have to get the cigarette lighters. All right, now that we got everything disconnected, we can go ahead and remove our factory head unit. Just 4 Phillips screwdrivers, and we'll get to the back of it. Screwdriver for this. Having this table is really nice. These brackets still work even though they're for the double din. You just put the 2 screws in where I'm putting them in, and it fits nice and snug. For the microphone, radio, you want to use a bigger one. All right, so if you get this kit, you have to take out the amplifier, which was right there. It took 2 screws, and then you're given these 2, which can connect to that. I don't have a backup camera or any subwoofers or anything, so this connector connects. You just have to take apart the amplifier. Microphone goes there, antenna goes there. Now it's time to bolt it back in. One thing I forgot to mention is you need to plug this in with whatever you have for your cigarette lighter. Oops. That sucks. I didn't think I was gonna mess it up that bad. Alright, and then you're just gonna need your bolts. Alright, it's time to reconnect stuff. You won't need this one anymore. Alright, and you just push it back on. Got this clip back on. It's pretty easy, just push it on. Now we'll just push this down and should be good to go. Alright, just got it back on. This was having a little bit of a hard time coming back on. It does need to connect here first before it connects here. And I was having trouble. This lip was catching on this black trim right here. So what I had to do was unscrew both sides, one right here and one right here. And I was able to pull this up a little bit. It'll move the center console as well. And then I was able to snap this into its little spots, push this back down, and then push it forward to screw in the stuff. But yeah, let's give it a go. Just turned it on. Touchscreen works nicely. Sweet. And we got power to this, so that's connected. And yeah, also the antenna is working again, which is sick. That's how you put a Sony head unit or radio into a 3rd Gen 4runner. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll be out with more videos here soon. Stay tuned. See you guys.